I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to receive money through Telcel, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Telcel app. Launch the Telcel app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your credentials to log into your Telcel account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to the money transfer section. Once logged in, find the money transfer or payment section in the app. This is usually located in the main menu. Step 4. Enter the sender's information. Input the details of the person sending you money, including their phone number and the amount. Double-check the information to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Make sure to check your balance after the transaction to ensure everything went through smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy transferring!